Hello! In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a Trupeer video to your Shopify website. Once you've chosen a video from your Trupeer platform, simply click on the Share option, and a pop-up will appear. Next, click on Embed. Select the HTML code and then head over to the Shopify.com website. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, navigate to the Products page. Here you'll find the Add Product option. Just click on it. After clicking, you'll see several options appear. In the description box, click on Insert Video option. Then take the code you've copied from the Trupeer website, paste it here, and then click on Insert Video. Now you'll see that the video has appeared on your Shopify website. And that's how you can embed a Trupeer video on your Shopify website. Thank you.